So once again, the track is prepped and ready to go. The staging lanes are wide open. Come one, come all. Junior Dragsters, lane number 1. Street Legal, street tire test and tune lanes 3 and 4. Slick tire, race car test and tune lanes 7 and 8. Eighty 219 miles per hour to right-hand side for entry number 31. A driver not yet on file. Wyatt Baxa, right lane. That is a 1970 Dodge Polara. From the Forest City of Rockford, Illinois, 1643, 83 miles per hour for Wyatt in the Polara.